Hey Scott, what are you doing?
Okay, just a minute ago, this happened. Oops. So anyways, whoever put this door in used these, they're sheet metal screws, self-tapping sheet metal screws. They should have wood screws in there, if anything, because this is a solid core door, but that's not even really good. So what I want to do is I want to put in through bolts going all the way through. They actually call these sex bolts. I don't know why. So they're too long. Look at them from this side. See how much longer they are? So I'm going to cut these down, because sometimes you got to do what you got to do, and these were left over. Everybody's going to give me a hard time for this, but this is what I have on hand. Clean it up a little with file. Make sure the screw will go in. Oh, not that one. All right, well, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do and use parts that you have left over, and that's what we've done in